Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Ford Fusion Titanium. Stock number B9502B. 70,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Deep impact blue in color. Fusion is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Nice sized trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Titanium has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, start, large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large MyFord Touch touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Dual zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats.
Sir.
Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio as well as climate. Automatic transmission. Lots of space in the armrest with USB connectivity. And a spacious glove box. Harness materials inside. Overhead. Moonroof control and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Fusion has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 231 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Nice balance of power and fuel economy along with those 231 horses. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Fusion, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.